Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial I will show you how to permanently hide this tools pane in Adobe Acrobat. First, close all currently open PDF documents. Then open Adobe Acrobat without opening any PDF files. Press Ctrl K to open Adobe Preferences. Press Ctrl K on your keyboard to open Adobe Preferences. Then select Documents and turn on Remember Last State of the All Tools pane when opening documents. Click OK. Now open PDF file and close the tools pane. Close the PDF file. Now reopen the PDF file.